This 2016 Starcraft Comet Hardside H1235MD is a pop-up RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Starcraft is 18 feet 8 inches in length and features sleeps 2, air conditioning, stovetop burner, leveling jacks, LP detector, water heater, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, smoke detector, skylight, auxiliary battery, and 13 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2016 Starcraft Comet Hardside H1235MD is 2,015 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.